Item number SCP-307. Object class Keter. Special containment procedures. SCP-307 must be kept within a 0.5 meter square stainless steel planter with a hydroponic growth chamber equipped with remotely operated light and sprinkler. The sides of the planter are to be equipped with retractable circular blades. The controls in which must be located outside the containment cell and manned at all times. The hydroponic chamber is to be kept within a 5 meter by 5 meter by 3 meter room with the stainless steel walls, floor, and ceiling. There are to be no windows in the room. A light will come from the hydroponic growth light, and any observation of SCP-307 is to be done over a security camera. The temperature of the room is to be kept at 15 degrees Celsius to discourage C production. If entry to SCP-307's room is necessary, it is to be done by remotely operated robots. Absolutely no living humans are to enter SCP-307's containment cell. Following Incident 307, see Addendum 2. If any specimens of SCP-307 are discovered outside the containment cell, they will be burned immediately until ashes remain. Any personnel who touches SCP-307 must also be burned. Description: SCP-307 is a creeping vine, similar in appearance to a common English ivy, save for the appearance of greenish thorns and stem, and the tendency of the leaves exhibiting a purple hue. The vine pats down roots approximately every 30.5 centimeters, 12 inches, and the roots can penetrate any porous material, but not metal. Any part of the plant not connected to the root system is to be considered dead and safe to examine up close. SCP-307 appears to be carnivorous and seems to exhibit some degree of intelligence. See Document 307-A. When the presence of a warm-blooded animal, hereafter referred to as the victim, it grows at a startling rapid rate in the direction of the animal, often growing 3 lines at a time in what appears to be a flanking maneuver. Upon contact, SCP-307 appears to paralyze the victim, then liquefy and drain all the internal organs, muscular and blood. The mechanisms by which it does this are presently unknown. They have, however, led to researchers calling it spider ivy. SCP-307 was first discovered by Agent Apocometer in blank when he witnessed it rapidly growing up the trunk of a tree and consuming a nest of American robins. Further examination has revealed the prevalence of the plant throughout North America. It has shown itself to be highly resistant to any attempts at poisoning. This has included all commercially available fabricates, exposure to idiopathic plants, and formaldehydes. Except for the sample obtained for study, the plant has been burned. However, it has been encountered. However, it is very likely that the numerous specimens still exist outside of Foundation control. SCP-307 is only kept alive in the hopes of engineering the biological agent to use a wide population. Document 307-A. Experiment logs. Experiment 1. A tray of mealworms introduced to Stell. Result: SCP showed no signs of movement. Experiment 2. Chilean rose hair tarantula introduced. Result: SCP showed no signs of movement. Did not respond to tarantula climbed into the SCP. Experiment 3. Live mouse introduced to cell. Result: the SCP immediately began to grow into the direction of the mouse. One vine extended directly towards it, while the two grew more out and grew around in front of it, effectively surrounding the mouse. The mouse immediately became rigid and stopped moving on contact with SCP-307. Behavior continued for 26 seconds before mouse fell on its side, obviously dead. Vines outside of the planter were severed, allowing D-class personnel to collect the mouse. Upon retrieval, mouse was noted to appear to be lacking any anatomic structure besides skin and bones. The mouse was taken for further examination. When the mouse was dissected, the researchers noted that there is some complete absence of blood, internal organs, and musculature. All interior structures were instead replaced with a system of roots, with researchers traced back to the mouse's skull. A single seed was found inside the mouse's otherwise empty brain cavity. Mouse was subsequently burned. Experiment 4. Jar containing 103 aphids introduced. Additional camera added for close-up viewing. Result. Aphids proceeded to attach themselves to SCP-307 and feed. SCP-307 did not respond in any visible manner. All aphids were dead within 5 minutes of first feeding. Potential for use as insecticide noted. Addendum 1. Notes of interest taken by Agent Apocomer during observation of SCP-307. The energy necessary to facilitate such a rapid growth rate would be astronomical. Yet SCP-307 seems to pursue the progress of valuable light or time since it last fed. The behavior exhibited by SCP-307 during Incident 307 would suggest the presence of some kind of barnacle muscle. Examination of severed vines was revealed no structure that could convincingly serve this purpose. Addendum 2. In light of Incident 307, SCP-307 has been upgraded to Keter class. Appropriate adjustments to containment protocol have been made. See Incident Report 307 for more details.